there! Nikki from the Asana marketing team here to tell you one of my favorite time-saving tips, assigning copies of tasks. So when would you use this tip? Well, maybe you're trying to make sure your entire team votes on the next offsite location, or you're getting a few teammates to review your blog draft, and you're getting slowed down, copying and pasting, clicking the same buttons over and over. Instead, you can assign copies. Before assigning copies, make sure the task has all the details set, like due date, description, project, and attachments. Once you're all set, click the Assignee field, then click the two-person icon, type out all the people or even entire teams you need to assign it to. Assigning copies saves time and makes it easy to see who I need to follow up with. Try it out! For more tips and tricks, visit the Asana guide at asana.com/guide.